Marami ang bumabatikos ngayon kay Cici Rondina sa kahit anong social media platforms dahil sa isyong lumabas na hindi niya kilala ang sikat na grupo na SB19. Dahil sa isyong ito, kinalimutan ng iilan ang magandang karangalan na ibinigay ni Cici Rondina sa larangan ng volleyball sa Pilipinas. Pero para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ito yung mga achievements ni Cici Rondina. Gold medalist 2014 UAAP Season 77 Seniors Beach Volleyball. 2015 Ibalong Festival Beach Volleyball Open Conference Gold Medalist. 2015 Nesty Beach Intercollegiate Volleyball Competition Gold Medalist. 2016 Nesty Beach Intercollegiate Volleyball Competition Gold Medalist. 2016 UAAP Season 79 Seniors Beach Volleyball Gold Medalist. 2016 Philippine University Games Indoor Volleyball Gold Medalist. 2017 UAAP Season 80 Seniors Beach Volleyball Gold Medalist. 2017 Philippine University Games Indoor Volleyball Gold Medalist. 2018 UAAP Season 81 Seniors Beach Volleyball. 2018 Gold Medalist Philippine University Games Indoor Volleyball. 2016 Philippine Superliga Grand Prix Conference Gold Medalist. 2017 Philippine Superliga Beach Volleyball Challenge Cup Gold Medalist. 2017 Philippine Superliga All-Filipino Conference Gold Medalist. 2018 PSL Beach Volleyball Challenge Cup Gold Medalist. 2022 FIVB World Beach Volleyball Pro Tour Subic Bay Future Gold Medalist. At ito naman ngayon yung mga silver medals niya. 2019 UAAP Season 81 Seniors Indoor Volleyball. 2016 Philippine Superliga All-Filipino Conference. 2016 Filipino Superliga Beach Volleyball Challenge Cup. 2017 Philippine Superliga Grand Prix Conference. 2023 Premier Volleyball League Second All-Filipino Conference. 2024 Premier Volleyball League All-Filipino Conference. 2021 Australian Beach Volleyball Tour Women's Elite Division. At sa kanyang mga bronze medals naman, 2015 Queen of Sands Beach Volleyball Tournament, 2017 UAAP Season 79 Seniors Indoor Volleyball, 2019 Southeast Asian Games Beach Volleyball, 2021 Southeast Asian Games Beach Volleyball, 2023 VTB International Women's Volleyball Cup, 2024 Asian Women's Volleyball Challenge Cup. Sa dami ng karangalan na natanggap ni Cici, hindi niya talaga deserve yung i-bash na lang dahil sa hindi niya kilala ang grupong SB19.